Hi guys, this is going to be a very short video on how to fill the form for GS 2021, that is for TIFR Institute, and this is conducted for if you get selected means you will be getting a chance to do PhD or integrated PhD in TIFR. So the last date is on 31st January only, and so it is after 2 days only. So let's go to how to fill the form. So first you have to Google like GS 2021 and you will get this site, and then you have to go to this. I will first tell details what are the necessary to fill the form, and afterwards I'll give the overview like how to fill the form. So this is important dates first I will tell. The exam date is on March 7th, and last date I already told that it is January 31st. And those who want to apply through GATE, then they can apply it after 31st January. And result, they haven't announced the date that when you will be getting shortlisted for the interviews. Welcome to the test timings. For physics, chemistry, and computer and system sciences, exam will be in the morning session, and it will be a 3-hour exam from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. And for the biology and mathematics, it will be in the afternoon session. And for biology, it is a 2-hour exam, and for mathematics, it is 3-hour exam. Now come to the centers. I think you will fill while you will be filling the form, you will get the options, and accordingly, whichever suits you and whichever the place is near, you can fill it. And eligibility criteria. I was telling you in my previous video that there is no thing mentioned for the age, so you can see here. See, there's nothing mentioned regarding that, and also they haven't mentioned about how much marks, minimum marks you should get in the MSc or BSc. So they have mentioned what are the minimum degree you should have for the exam. Okay. Now come to the another point. What is the admission procedure? I have told in my third video regarding that, and so I will tell. Firstly, like it was a written exam you will give this GS, okay, and after that you will be shortlisted for interview. So this is 2-round procedure, and then application, okay. So for application fees, I will tell these are the things like you will fill even if you want to fill now also. So I have mentioned the important things. You will just go through this video and then just try filling out the form directly. Okay. And yeah, for male candidates it is 1,200 and for female 600 and others it is 600. After that, you will be you have to go apply online, okay, just and you keep while filling you keep some things in the mind while filling the form that you have to use the desktop or laptop like for the filling the form, okay. And also while registration you have to give your name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, 10th details, SSC details, okay, subject, program, etc. And also they won't be modified later on, so you have to fill them very carefully. And some of you have been facing the problem because of this only while registration, because you are not satisfied or you have forgot the something what email ID or mobile number you have given in the first time registration, so you might be trying to fill registration again and again, so it won't be happening properly. So it is not happening because the date of birth is same and you are filling and name is also the same, so under that you are changing the mobile number or email ID, it won't work. So if you are facing this kind of problem, you can mail these people gsch@tifr.res.in, or you can try to check your mailbox. You have to check in the spam folder. Okay, you have there you can find a mail regarding that you have successfully completed the registration and all. Okay, so you try to do that, and also you check your mobile phone messages and all you might have got mail that you have been registered. And then if you have forgot the password, then click on the forgot password and then try to recollect your password and all, okay, all the other details. So now you will go to the apply online. These three browsers you can use and work. So you will be getting these things for registration. You have to fill all the things. And this program, it won't come until you fill this subject. So first you have to give, like I will give chemistry, and you will find these two selections. All other things I think you all can fill easily. So I don't think you will face some problem while filling these things. These are the personal details. And then see, you have right side registration. After doing this, after this filling seven characters also, you will fill this. You'll click on this register check box, and then you will get to your site. Okay. So after this, you will be getting some mail from the TIFR on the your email ID, and there from there you have to click on the link they have provided, or the login ID or password they will give something, and then you have to log in with that, and you have to fill all other details, and you have to submit your documents like SOP. You have to write SOP, I think, statement. We I During my time I wrote, and all your qualifying degrees, 12th mark sheets, your signature photo. Keep all these things ready, and then you can fill it properly. So this was in the video, just a short overview of how to fill this form. And the last date is on 31st January. I'm telling again and again because it's after 2 days only. So please fill it, hurry up.